Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Our mission today is to really crack open the source material on a small but, well, a pretty mighty piece of tech. It's the Thor broadcast, F-1MSDI-2ET.
Yeah.
We want to understand the engineering feat it represents.
Right, it might just sound like a catalog number, but this unit is really the definition of consolidation. It solves that huge headache of running multiple heavy cables by performing what is like the ultimate signal mashup.
Absolutely. So we're looking at a device built to transport high-bandwidth HD video. We're talking 1.485 gigabits per second, HD-SDI. And at the same time, it's also handling two separate fast Ethernet data channels, plus a control line. And all of that is zipping over a single strand of optical fiber.
That consolidation is so key, especially for anyone in, say, video surveillance or complex stadium setups. And, for those of you listening who deal with procurement, this kit is also TAA compliant.
Right, the Trade Agreements Act.
Exactly. So that makes it eligible for certain government projects where, supply chain security is just paramount.
Okay, so let's talk about the signals going in. The foundation here is that professional, unidirectional HD-SDI signal. But how does it manage to squeeze two separate Ethernet channels onto that same fiber without interfering with that massive video stream?
Well, that's the technical trick, isn't it? You have two fast Ethernet interfaces, 100 megabits per second. They're designed to share a total 100-meter bandwidth pool. So one port could be for, say, camera IP control, while the other handles regular network data.
And it supports VLAN, right?
It does, port-based VLAN. So even though they share the physical connection, the data streams stay logically separate. They stay robust.
So you're getting the video, you're getting your essential data connection for your devices down the line.
Yeah.
But what about actually controlling the system remotely?
Yeah, you can't just send dumb video 20 kilometers away and, hope for the best. You need a control channel. So the system builds in bidirectional RS-485 communication.
Okay.
It's a simple, super reliable serial connection. It runs half duplex with a baud rate up to about 115.2 kDubs. It's perfect for low overhead commands like tilting a camera.
Now, looking at the hardware itself, the actual boxes with the BNC connectors, the transmitter, the TX, takes in the signal and gives you a convenient looping output. But what stands out on the receiver side, the RX, is that you get two separate SD-HD-SDI outputs. Why double up the video output at the destination?
Because you're often sending that signal to a central location where you need redundancy. Or maybe you have multiple destinations. One feed might go to a switcher, another to a dedicated recorder. It just saves you from needing an external splitter right away.
And this is where the flexibility really shines, I think. We mentioned that auxiliary card slot.
Right.
So that means if your project needs something else, say bidirectional audio for comms or contact closures for remote triggers, you can swap in those modules.
It's incredibly adaptable, which is meaningless without performance assurance.
Of course.
And this unit handles all the standard HD broadcast formats, 1080p, 1080i, 720p. Plus, it has an integrated cable equalizer, which is essential for cleaning up the signal before it even hits the fiber.
And the distances are just huge.
Yeah.
The standard run is 20 kilometers.
With options up to 100 kilometers. Yeah. And to maintain that quality over such a long run, the small technical details really matter. The unit includes something called an APC circuit automatic power control.
And why is that important?
Well, because fiber lasers are sensitive to things like temperature and time. The APC actively monitors and adjusts the optical power level. It makes sure the light hitting the 20-kilometer mark is just as stable as the light that left the unit. It prevents signal loss, even in harsh environments.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? This F-1MSDI-2ET isn't just a signal converter, it's a technical simplification tool. It takes three essential but previously separate requirements: HD broadcast video, network data, and remote control, and it bundles them reliably onto one single medium.
Precisely. And if we look at the potential here, considering you can secure high-end broadcast video and mission-critical network data together, what critical new infrastructure opportunities does this create? I mean, for securing or streamlining large-scale events where data integrity and high-quality video are, well, equally non-negotiable, that unified pathway is a huge step forward.